Welcome back, guys, to yet another video. Now this one's gonna be short, but I'm sure that a lot of you guys have been waiting on this. If you remember correctly, on my Instagram I've posted this a couple of times already, and this is what I'm talking about. So here we are with this, how would you call it? A radio dash. Yeah, I've had this for quite a long time. As you know, I kept telling you guys the day will come, and here it is. So I finally picked up a radio for it, and here we are. I went with a 10.1, which is the only one that fits there. This is made for a 10.1. And let's see if this doesn't say here. But anyways, kind of do a little small quick unboxing. Guess this is for power, maybe. Harness right there. Yeah, there you go. That one right there is for power. We'll take a look at this a little later. Comes with two brackets, which we are not going to be using this because this will be if you put it further down with where the radio actually goes from factory. And this is the camera. It does come with a backup camera. I may not install this now. And here it goes with the radio. So let's keep unboxing this. Slide this out the way. Get the box out. Actually, I'll keep this. Set it down at least on a soft surface. And here's the radio. Here we go. Now at the back, looks like we have power here on the right. On the left, sorry. The GPS, coax connection, the regular radio connection, and this I'm sure will probably be for the radio harness right there. And then I guess for today we'll try and get at least, get it on there, get it connected, and power it on, and hopefully see how it looks. It has a great rating, nothing but positive reviews, and I believe the name brand was called, if I'm saying it correctly, it's called Hickety. I'll probably post a link on the description. But yeah, here it goes, and then it goes straight into the radio like this. Bam. Just like that. Looks nice. So all we need to do now is bring in the radio. All we need to do now is bring in the car. That way I can work on it comfortably inside of the garage. And let's go. I've taken out both main harness, or so I thought. We would need both, but it looks like just this one, which is the one that goes to where it says power, and that has all the right ones. It has like all the ones for antenna, illumination, front right, rear right, all that stuff. So looks like we're just going to be using that one right there, and this one right here is mainly for the video cam, like the backup cam and all that stuff. So we'll put that away and get to work. Alright, so we found the loom, whatever I created a while back that attached the radio. It's nicely, what would you call it, soldered. I think that's what I did. I don't remember. Anyways, we'll find out. But I have it here. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this one here. We'll leave that there. I believe this is a ground, and this is probably that ground that if you don't find correctly, the radio won't turn on or whatever. I forgot what it was. I've been through this such a long time ago, but here we go. So this is the one that belongs to the radio I was running. I'm going to have to open this all up, resolder it for sure, because as you see, this is the new one. Focus, this is the new one. It's got a different adapter. So a little update here. That took quite a while, but finally got both little looms that go to the car's stock loom, and it's two of them. Finally got them separated. All right, so after messing with this for God knows how long, I got the wiring loom already together, soldered and heat shrinked. So now it's the moment of truth. Here we go. Let me see if you guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up. Boom. Android is starting, and there we go. So it seems like we got power. We got everything's looking pretty good. Now let's see if we got some actual audio coming out of the speakers. Let's see if we can go into radio. Let's go into that. See what the hell happens. Although I may not get nothing because I haven't connected actually. Yep, I haven't connected. Oh, yep, there we go. So I might need an extension for this. So I'm pretty sure once I insert the radio antenna in, we should get some radio signal. Hopefully, let's see. Audio seems like it's scanning. And how do I bring the volume right here? It is up already, but I'm not actually getting. Let's see now. No sound. Well, I'll be back in a moment once I figure this out. I gotta try and remember what I had done before. Alright, so now it's been a while. Honestly, I was about to give up, but I quickly found out what was the fix through a reminder of a friend and a video I was watching. And so it turns out that I guess when you, because I was getting only sound on the radio, so whenever you switch to Bluetooth or the actual music app, it was getting no sound. And turns out that when, I guess it has something to do, I'll try and link up the video if I see it again. Turns out that when it's on the radio, it how do you say this, it connects, I'm still a little bit dark, but yeah, it connects to, or not connect, but it sends out power to the stock amplifier for the car. So of course you get sound, but as soon as you get off the radio and you go to another app or Bluetooth, any other app, but mainly music, you get no sound due to it turning off power to the amp, which is weird. So what I had to do is, on the harness, there's an extra blue wire that's left out, and I believe that's the amp one. I had to connect that straight to accessories, so just tap it into accessories so that it stays with power whenever you have the key on or whatnot and the car is on. So here's the final product. So I'm gonna go ahead and as you see, I took my time to put everything together and all that stuff back again. I still have a little bit of mess over here, but that's fine. And yeah, let me set this here to the side, and then let's go ahead and power it on. So now that's the main screen there, and of course it turns on back to, or opens back to music app because I was already playing. But I'm gonna go ahead and raise the volume so you can hear some music. There we go. And of course, if you go to Bluetooth, it'll have sound as well. But yeah, looks really good. Not bad. And let me switch this back to red. And yeah, I mean, it looks good. Looks awesome so far. Can't wait to be driving around and listening to some music again. The last couple of times that I was driving it or drove it just to test it around, had no music. Kind of sucks. It's nothing but engine sounds, which are lovely as well. But yeah, you want some music. In my case, I want some music as well. But yeah, here it is. And then of course, let's say we go back to the home screen. I can't wait to put another like theme up in here. I'm really not a fan of this one, but yeah, radio is not going to play right now because the actual, you get the hissing sound, but nothing. The cable that goes behind it doesn't reach. You can't really stretch it out, so I'm gonna find an extender for it, and then we'll have sound there. But I never listen to radio. It's only music through Bluetooth or a USB, which I routed to over here, and it's just in that little cubby down there. But yeah, apps, it's got Chrome, music, I don't know what the hell is that, Podofo, whatever voice, and it has something for Podofo Plus there. I guess I'll figure that out later on. But it has the here we go navigation, the radio app calculator, calendar, file manager, downloader, Google Maps, of course, YouTube, and the Play Store, which I haven't connected to yet, so it's not going to connect. But I can't wait to put a Torque Pro up in here and a Nissan data scan app, and have it display all the information as I go, which is going to be awesome. So there we go. We got the Hickety, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. We got it installed. It took way too long, plus the issues, but this is going to be the end of the video. I'll try to do a review on it after a couple of days, maybe a month, and we'll see how it does. But for now, like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later.